Hi, and welcome to 956111 7th Line Mulmur. I'm Sarah Aston with Sutton Headwaters, and I can't wait to show you this spectacular property. It's 55 acres with a mix of hardwood, trails, flat tile drain fields, horse paddocks, a newer horse barn which is behind me, an 8-stall horse barn which I'll show you later. We've got a beautiful pond and a lovely Century Bank barn. And before we go inside, I'd like to draw your attention to the fact that there are 2 residences on this property. The first is the main house, which is a 5-bedroom sprawling bungalow with room for everyone and a nice open concept design. And then the second one is a 2-bedroom bungalow, which could be great for extended family, it could be a rental potential, and also for hired help on the farm. And here we are inside this beautiful 5-bedroom bungalow. The open concept design revolves around the focal point, which is the solarium. I'm standing in the kitchen, which has a wonderful 3-seat breakfast bar, room for everyone to prepare food, as well as amazing natural light overlooking the horse barn and the bank barn and the pond. And in front of me is the living room, which has a massive picture window overlooking the pond. Directly behind me is the dining room, which again overlooks the horse barns and the paddocks. And then there's an office, a walkout to a back patio, and outside dining area. And the focal point of the house as you enter is this amazing solarium area. You've got skylights that allow a lot of natural light in. You can grow all kinds of plants here, and as you can see, the orchids are doing very well. It's a beautiful place to sit and have your coffee in the winter time. And now we're in the master bedroom. As you can see, it's a lovely spacious room with lots of light. You've got sliding doors out to your back patio, which is an interlock surrounding patio for outdoor entertaining and just reading a book on a hot summer day. In addition to the master bedroom, we've got 4 other bedrooms and a 3-bath, all on this wing of the house. This large room, which is currently serving 2 purposes, this area is used as a sewing area, and then on the other side of the room we have a gym. It could also be converted into a guest bedroom. There is a 3-piece bathroom right around the corner from that area. And in this wing of the house is a separate entrance to the home, which makes it really convenient when you're coming in from the barn and you have wet dogs or wet boots, and your laundry area is off this side too. So it's nice and separate. Now we're in front of the second residence. We're going to go in and have a look, but it's a lovely 2-bedroom bungalow with an open concept design. It has 4 walkout doors, so you can sit in the back overlooking the fields, or you could sit outside the kitchen on a private terrace and overlook the farmer's fields to the south. Let's go in and have a look. So now we're in the second residence, which is again an open concept 2-bedroom bungalow. You've got a dining room, a living room, kitchen, open area, and then 2 bedrooms. It's heated by propane. You've got a nice little walkout patio that's private and apart from the rest of the property, and amazing views and lots of light. What's there not to love? Now we're outside the newer horse barn. It's a beautiful stone and metal design. It's got 8 modular stalls that could be removed if you wanted a clear span in there. But they're gorgeous system fence stalls. There's water and hydro and lots of room for hay storage as well. Come on in and let's have a look. Now we're inside the barn. As you can see, there's lots of room. You've got your stalls all along this side with a walkout to the paddock, as well as front and rear doors that you could drive a tractor through. There's hydrant water, so that's insulated line, and there's also a wash stall ready to go over here. You've got also a very big area for hay storage. And now we're in front of the most amazing shop ever. It's a heated, insulated shop with 10-foot roll-up doors, 12-foot sliding doors, and you've got a drive shed component, so you can park all your equipment and work on it at the same time. Let's go and have a look inside. And I'm standing in front of a beautiful tile drain field that's used for crops. And we've got paddocks around here, around pen. And there's also a hardwood bush and a stream that is a tributary of the Boyne River. There's trout fingerlings and wild leeks and fiddleheads, so you can forage on the property, you can hike, you can ski, you can ride your horse or your ATV. There's really nothing you can't do here. It's on the end of a dead-end road, so it's very private. The last component of the tour today is the bank barn. It's a century bank barn that is in fantastic shape. Roof is good, the space is huge, really good for hay storage. And then underneath is a wonderful run-in component to give shelter to your livestock. So this property basically has it all. You've got 35 acres of tile-drained cropland. You've got trails for riding. You've got a little bit of a stream and a pond in front. You've got horse paddocks. You've got a lovely new horse barn, as well as a century barn. You've got that shop that I just showed you. The 5-bedroom sprawling bungalow with incredible views. The sunsets and the sunrises are magical. Check them out. I'm going to put some on my website. And also you've got the second residence. So easy commuting distance to Alliston, Orangeville, 89 and Airport Road. So you can drive south easily or north on good highways. So give me a call and book your showing today. Thank you.